Hey guys, great deal here. 7-piece metric ratcheting wrench set from Stanley. Limited quantities are available only. Again, this is a clearance. Limited quantities while supplies last. Okay?
Measure twice and cut once, they said. Then one day you realize you're not just building a house, you're building a reputation, measured by your last success, maintained by your hands, sweat, and tools. It hasn't always been easy, but you do it all again, just for good measure. Stanley, the measure of a pro.
Wow. That was cool. Here's some more. These freaking kids are driving me freaking crazy. Shut up! Yeah, guys, great deal here. Yeah, it's going all the way up to, looks like 15 millimeters. All right, $25. Let me get the information. All right, so chrome vanadium steel forged for high torque applications, max drive design, box end. All right, everything seems to be box end now to reduce that fastener rounding. 15 degree. You know, guys, I mean, this is a 7-piece set. I want to say, what was that SATA set? Durable construction, full polish plating for anti-corrosion, max drive design. It doesn't tell you the sizes. You're kidding me, right? Yeah, see that? I mean, and usually metric are more than SAE ratchets. So you're saving a pretty good amount here. Yeah, I'm going to have to look at the picture, guys. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay. I just can't. Looks like that's a 12. And there's a 10. All right, so 9, 10, 11, 12. Also, it doesn't skip. All right. I mean, it looks straight through, guys. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so it's a 7-piece set. You don't skip any sizes. 15's the biggest. You know, if you want some bigger ratchets, this, is not really the set, but it goes up to 15 for $25. Not bad, guys. We'll catch you.